Hello and welcome to InfraTec. My name is Stefan Kort, and in our today's video presentation, I will show you how to start using an ImageIR thermography system. In this dust-proof transportation case, you will find the ImageIR and all accessories. Here you have an overview of all the items: camera, the Ethernet cable, camera's power supply, the Thunderbolt adapter for the 10 gig connection, notebook, and optional lenses. First, we connect the camera with the power supply. Then we take the Ethernet SFP. And finally, we connect the 10 gig cable with the camera. Now we can start up the system. And now it's about connecting camera and computer. We start with the Thunderbolt adapter connecting to the computer, and then we take the fiber optical cable and connect this with the Thunderbolt adapter as well. Now everything is connected. Camera is ready. We have our measuring object. You see the startup screen from the other software. We connect the camera with the PC. Here comes the live image. So this is how the start screen of our other software looks like. You have a number of main menus up here, with changing submenus used for measuring tasks, camera control, image processing. Down here, you can organize a sub or quick access menu on your own to find your preferred functions even quicker. Now, we'd like to connect the camera, choosing the camera menu. Go to the connect submenu. Next, we are choosing ImageIR 4 as preferred camera driver. Click on Apply, and connection is established. The initial live image doesn't help us a lot, but we can adjust the temperature scale either via these sliders or, for instance, via the O or object button, which instantly optimizes image contrast in relation to the temperature range. Now we want to control the different parameters of the camera. So, below the camera main menu, we go to the remote submenu. This offers us a variety of changes, modifications, like calibration ranges, sub-windowing, trigger interface, and frame rate adjustment. So, how to switch off the camera? First of all, we stop the live image. Next, we will close the remote window. And finally, we disconnect the camera from the computer. Now you can switch it off. If you wish to change the camera's lens, then unscrew the initial lens counterclockwise, take the second lens and screw on clockwise. Please make sure that no direct sunlight reaches the detector. So far, so good. So now it's your turn. Good luck and lots of success with your ImageIR. And if you have any questions, then just let us know.